Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about articles. So let's dive in and have fun. Now, what are articles? A, an and the are called articles. They are used to refer a noun. The two types of articles, definite and indefinite, are used in a different manner at different places. The articles a and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called definite article. The indefinite article a is used before consonant sounds and an is used before vowel sounds. They are both used to refer to a singular noun. For example, a car, a bus, a day, an orange, an apple, and hour. The definite article the is used to refer to a noun that has already been mentioned and is familiar to the person being addressed. For example, Seema got me a cake. The cake was strawberry flavored. The is used before names of newspapers, the New York Times, the Daily Mail. A country's citizens, the Germans, the Indians. Famous buildings, the Burj Khalifa, the Taj Mahal. Musical instruments, the piano, the guitar. Unique objects, the moon, the sun. Plural nouns, the Himalayas, the mountains. Superlative adjectives, the smartest, the funniest. Let's solve. Correct the sentences using suitable articles. Here's the first sentence. 1. Indians have the sharp mind. Do you think the article the is used correctly? Let's correct it. The Indians have a sharp mind. Let's go through some more sentences. 2. The flood affected our city most. The flood affected our city the most. 3. My father prefers reading Sun and not the Irish Daily Star. My father prefers reading The Sun and not the Irish Daily Star. 4. People in the MUN conference come from the different cities. The people in the MUN conference come from different cities. 5. An performance had the good guitar riff. The performance had a good guitar riff. 6. Are we going to a Parker's for dinner? Are we going to the Parker's for dinner? 7. We visited Taj Mahal in the Agra. We visited the Taj Mahal in Agra. 8. My brother received the Best Acting Award at an annual function. My brother received the Best Acting Award at an annual function. Now, let's fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Please get me dash cup of tea. Please get me a cup of tea. It is from dash famous shop in dash city. It is from a famous shop in the city. I am dash allergic person. I am an allergic person. Dash old woman is sitting under dash oak tree. An old woman is sitting under an oak tree. My parents went to dash school to meet dash principal. My parents went to the school to meet the principal. This is my favorite time of dash day. This is my favorite time of the day. Reenie got stung by dash bee. Reenie got stung by a bee. Our teacher taught us that dash apple dash day keeps dash doctor away. Our teacher taught us that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now kids, let's learn some more rules about articles. The definite article the can also be used before a countable, singular, or plural noun. For example, the child, the children, the orange, the oranges. But sometimes we don't need to use the article before plural countable nouns when we mean all or any of that particular thing. For example, leaves fall from trees. Stars shine at night. Let's try more blanks. Dash, God is immortal. No article needed here. Diamond ring is dash precious jewelry. Diamond ring is a precious jewelry. Abraham Lincoln was dash great leader. Abraham Lincoln was a great leader. I am fond of dash pop music. No article needed here. Dash baby is sleeping in dash cradle. The baby is sleeping in the cradle. People worship dash Yamuna river. People worship the Yamuna river. Dash fruits in dash basket are fresh and clean. The fruits in the basket are fresh and clean. Please give me dash new pencil and dash eraser. Please give me a new pencil and an eraser. This is dash institution for chefs. This is an institution for chefs. Dash Rashtrapati Bhavan is dash official residence of dash president. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the president. Great work, kids! In this chapter, we have learned about articles, a, an, and the. We now know when to use them. See you in the next class. Bye-bye!